Hello, I am Dr. Satish Babu, Senior Consultant ENT Head and Neck Surgeon working with the Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. Hiccups are fairly common in children and it happens because of an irritation in the diaphragm. That's the partition between the stomach and the chest. If it gets irritated for some reason, like having excessive food at once, or if there is an infection around that region, or some chemicals can induce, or lying down immediately after having a heavy meal, these things can trigger the diaphragm and make it go for a small spasm. It is quite common in children, especially with the parents being concerned about their child not having enough food. We tend to overfeed a lot of times, and when the stomach is full, it tends to irritate the diaphragm and hiccups do come. But these hiccups are usually harmless, very short lasting, anywhere between few hiccups to maybe lasting about few hours, but they automatically stop by themselves. We don't really need any active management. Only reason why we would visit the doctor during a hiccup is that if the hiccup is lasting for more than 3 hours, or if the hiccup hampers the child's food intake or breathing, if the child is struggling, then you should visit the doctor. Otherwise, you can try the many home remedies, like taking a tablespoon of sugar, or trying to scare the child to come out of this thing, holding the breath, rebreathing into the plastic bag. There are many in the our cultural this thing. So we can follow any one of those, try to stop it. But even if it doesn't stop, we don't need to panic. Only if it is beyond 3 hours or hampering the food intake or breathing, then we should take to the doctor, and the doctor will probably give you some simple medications, and that could stop the hiccup. But no need to worry if the baby has hiccups. Even if every now and then, if there are hiccups also, no need to worry. Try to feed the baby in smaller quantities more frequently, rather than in bulk and overfeeding the baby and filling up the stomach all the time.